I just ventured out this morning and we're looking for some cereal. We found this market. It's pretty cool, isn't it? It is day 23 and we are in Antibes, France, in the French Riviera, the Côte d'Azur. I don't know if I'm saying any of those right, but we are here and we're loving it. This city is amazing. It's what we love. It's great. It's great. Cora and I walked around this morning, went to a couple places, and it's just bustling. There's street markets, there's cafes everywhere. It's hardly any driving in this area of the town we're in. We're in the old town, so it's almost all walking streets. Oh, I love it. It's so great. Today, though, we are going to be doing a bunch of laundry, and that's where the excitement of the day starts. We start our first load, and about half hour into the load, the neighbor comes pounding on our door, and apparently our washer is leaking all the way downstairs, all over the electrical boxes, and all over the floor in the lobby. So we had to turn that off. And we called our landlord, and apparently they're going to send their chap out tomorrow to fix it so we have the machine back. And we need it. As you can see, day 3 of wearing this shirt. So we got one load done, so we have at least a clean outfit we can put on, and we may have to hand wash some stuff and just hang dry it because it's getting out of hand. But that's part of living out of a backpack for sure. We need to go shopping. So we're gonna go to the grocery store in a bit, maybe walk around the town a little bit. We're at dinner. I love eating outside. Okay, ready.
The favorite part is about my dinner is that's the only thing that's on there.
What was your favorite part of my dinner?
And my favorite part is the
That's pretty cool. Okay, so the handyman just left, and he says that the issue is not with the washing machine, but with the pipes, and now they can't come and do that until tomorrow. So we're pretty frustrated because we really booked this Airbnb with the intent of doing laundry. We're completely out of laundry. We're traveling around the world. We're full-time traveling. We have living out of backpacks. Everything we own is in our backpacks. We don't really have the luxury to just go to the closet and get some other clothes. Might be filling the bathtub up later and doing that. But for now, we are going to head out and get some lunch because it's 1 o'clock and everything closes down at 2:30. So we need to go get lunch now. Finding food in a city full of food shouldn't be this hard, but apparently it is. We did find out today is a national holiday in France, so a lot of things are closed. I don't know what holiday it is. The 6th of June. Market. If I've learned anything from movies, when you go to a market in France, you've got to have a baguette sticking out of the top of the bag. Yeah, pretty authentic here. All right, so more excitement. We hear some commotion outside, so we look out, and there's EMTs and firefighters outside. and two ladies standing there, and they're trying to get some attention at the window. So we filmed a little bit of it, but we stopped. They cut the bars off the window, and one of the EMTs climbed in and opened the door, and then the other two ladies started crying when they got it, and a dog came out. So we're assuming the owner of the house probably passed away, and the dog was in there. We don't know if the ladies know the owner or the resident. Just sad, actually. So, don't know if we'll include any of this in our video, but I thought we should film it because it was something that happened.
I really want to go to Papa Pig World again.
That's fun?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
And I have one more thing.
Okay, what?
As we're going to play on LA. That's real right here. Real.
Cool. Okay.
Woo! You got us? Can I go outside? He flies away. There's like two. Up there.
So we're at Moonshine BBQ, and I think we're gonna get wings and grilled cheese sandwiches.
Yep.
Sounds pretty good. It'll be a nice deviation from pasta and pizza, and that's pretty much it.
It's good.
What is it?
It's called Toxic. It has tequila and like a banana, something in it, and pineapple juice, lime juice.
Shared it with me. And we're having another sandwich too. Because we ordered one for her, but she doesn't want it, so we're gonna get another sandwich. And we're gonna split it. We're gonna split it up. I should me and Cora can share. And I shoot my sandwich slowly and I split it up.
I think we might try and shoot some scripted video tonight. I'm editing the video, and it's really been rough, having no plan. So I think we need to shoot with intent and not just wing it, because winging it is producing, in my opinion, the videos could use some work. Wait till this guy passes. We're in Antibes, France. It's a coastal town in the south of France. It's just in between Cannes and Nice, and it's pretty cool here.
It's a beautiful city, a lot of restaurants and cafes and shopping that are just walking distance. You don't have to take any mass transit, so we love it.
It's pretty cool. So hopefully they're getting better. Thanks for sticking around. We really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe and do the stuff down there, like buttons, all that. Share it with your friends. Share it with your mom. Share it with my mom. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
We're anti-friends. We're anti-friends.